Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And we developers love to use Docker, right? So Docker is like Masiha to us. But whenever we wanna test a new Docker image, downloading that and running it in our local environment is not quite sufficient, or not sufficient, but efficient solution. So what we can do about that? So today's website or web app is for that purpose only. So let me show you. So here is our today's website, that is Play with Docker, and obviously it does the same thing that its name suggests. Obviously you can play with your Docker images here, like if you want to taste something. So you have to log in with your Docker ID obviously here. Then you can simply click on start, and if it gives you 4 hours of session, like it's not here, it give you 4 hour of session. You can obviously run the session for 4 hours, and you can obviously create instances directly from here. Before creating instances, you can edit it from here, and here also, if you want to manage the like you have to want to tinker with the managers and workers, you can obviously do that here. And here simply click on an instance and it will generate an instance for you, that is obviously a Linux server. And here is the port, here is the memory usage, here is the CPU usage, and you can obviously connect it with your local environment, like local Veeam, or not Veeam, like any local machine. Like if you want to control it with your own Linux, or if you want to control it with your right with Save or Windows Putty or anything like that, you can obviously simply copy the SSH key and start playing around. So basically that's it for this video. Please try out this website and tell me if you like it or not, if it is useful for you or not. And that's it. If you like my contents, please consider subscribing. And if you know about some cool apps, cool website like this, please let me know about them in the comments. And bye.